So officially opens our business training today. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Puan Sri Datin Sri Elatan.
Salam sejahtera, Malaysia. How are you today, everyone from all over the world? Can you all louder show your energy? Yeah, very good afternoon to every one of you. I'm so happy to see all of you here. Okay, not only from Malaysia, but all over the world. There are from Africa, from USA, Canada, Australia, Asia is
Singapore.
Middle East, Singapore, Philippines, Indonesia. All welcome to Phyto Science Big Family. India, yeah, Manipur. Yes, welcome. All the African continent. Tanzania, Ghana, Kenya, Gabon, Cameroon, Nigeria, Togo, Ivory Coast, Zimbabwe, Namibia, Kenya, Uganda, Egypt, Oman, UAE, Jordan, Syria, all over the world. Oh, okay. So this show, our Phyto Science family is worldwide business, right? Okay. I'm so happy. Okay. Today is a training, and you can meet up with our product scientist, which is Dr. Frederick, all over from Switzerland later. Okay, once you land down, touch down to Malaysia, he will direct come to our home later to meet you all. He come to meet you all. From day one, he developing our product for Phyto Science. So our company is already 13 years. So our product already proven many, more than thousands of testimony in the market. We transform many people, their health conditions. And also, we create many millionaire in Phyto Science platform. Give a big round of applause to yourself because you make the right choice. You make the right decision to choose Phyto Science as your career. Yes or yes? Yes or yes?
Yes.
Yes or yes?
Yes.
Yes. I like this word. Yes or yes. I learned from our country stockist, Cameroon country stockist, Australia. Yes or yes? Yes. You have no doubt because you have no choice. Your answer only yes. Give you positive energy. Yes or yes? Yes. Yes. I represent her. Okay. Phyto Science, 13 years. We have a long way to go. I am Puan Sri Elatan, co-founder of Phyto Science. Your Phyto Mama. A lot of good news will to be announced time by time, to help everyone, to assist everyone, to guide everyone go to your success destination.
You go, Mama.
Yeah, I want to share with you. Okay, yesterday I met a young guy. Okay, I met a young guy. Okay, the young guy he told me, I try to become diamond. I said, oh, you try to become a diamond. Then I asked him, have you married? He just looked at me. Then I said, if you have a girlfriend, you want to marry her, and you go and meet her parents, and what will you tell to the parents? Will you tell the parents, I will try to love your daughter. I will try to take care of her. I will try to treat her good. She said, no. Then, very smart young guy, he said, I must become a diamond. He know what I meant.
Yes.
So, once, as I say, we are 13 years old company. You are here. There must be a purpose here. What is your purpose here? What is your purpose here, Jide? Why are you here today? To become a millionaire. Whatever reason to make you here today, value it. Maximize the attendance of today. Because today will bring more impact to your future. It's a route, the journey for you to success. So take more photo when people sharing on the stage, gain more knowledge, make note, take note. Okay, so at the same time, don't just only take note. You have to implement by your action. Focus on one company, because Phyto Science, we are focused. That's where I am here today with you. And among all of you here, you are also focused. There is number of people together with Phyto Science since day one until today, which is Dr. Zaza. Can you stand up? Vincent Liu, can you stand up? Vincent Liu? Yes. The handsome guy. From day one until now. And there is also many from day one until now support our products. They are consumer. They are still gain some income. That is not much, but is consistently. They are from day one until today. So Phyto Science product, there is no doubt. Yes or yes? Yes. Yes or yes? Yes. Yes. Okay. So take your time and enjoy every moment that going to happen this afternoon, and of course get ready for tomorrow grand recognition. I'm here to congratulate those achievers. Once again, I want to see every one of you, not only the achiever for tomorrow, but in future. Yes. Can you all do that? Yes or yes? Yes. Phyto Science?
We are the trend makers.
Phyto Science?
We are the trend makers.
Thank you. I love you all.
We love you too.
Thank you. Thank you, PUAN Street, DATIN Street, ELA time for the wonderful speech and the inspiring speech today. So ladies and gentlemen,